Givingness. There can be no real gift unless the giver goes with it. Giving includes more than the giving of money or things. It includes the giving of service or whatever we have to others. But always the gift and the giver must go hand in hand. The surrender of everything we have and everything we are into the joy of its own self-expression. This is the way that God gives. This is the way we should give. Real giving is the art of transmitting ourselves to others and to the conditions and situations that surround us. This kind of giving is not something for special occasions only, for it should become a habit growing out of our desire to live life to the fullest extent. Only that which becomes an inward habit of thought can spontaneously flow from the heart and transmit itself to everything we touch. Just as life belongs to the one who lives it, to the one who takes it, so the fuller life belongs only to the one who gathers every good he has. It is by giving of oneself to every person, every project, and every association with zest, love, and friendliness that one sees the larger possibility in all things, beauty instead of ugliness, love instead of hate, the divine hidden within the human. Today and every day, it is my desire that what life has given to me so abundantly shall be shared with others. I desire to share this realization of the indwelling presence with everyone. In this consciousness, I say, bless you, my friend. I desire for you health, happiness, and success. I desire for you love, peace, and joy. I desire for you the benediction of the kingdom of God here upon earth. There is that scattereth and yet increaseth. Proverbs 11:24.